Join me as I dive into the challenge of figuring out the secret to making my shorts go viral. Viral shorts have taken the world of social media by storm. And for creators looking to expand their audience on platforms like YouTube, understanding the secrets behind their success is essential. We've all been there, creating content that we think is amazing, only to have it fall flat with our audience. It's frustrating, to say the least, and it's easy to blame the algorithm or the sheer amount of content out there. But the truth is, getting your shorts noticed in today's market is a tough game. With millions of hours of content being uploaded every day, it's easy for your video to get lost in the noise. And even if you do manage to get some views, getting those views to translate into engagement and a loyal following is a whole different story. Another major struggle is the fact that what works for one creator might not work for another. I mean, think about it. There are countless tutorials and tips out there on how to create viral content, but at the end of the day, it's all just speculation. What really works and what's just a bunch of hype? And to make matters worse, the platforms themselves are constantly changing, making it a moving target to try and keep up with. One thing is for sure though, going viral isn't just about throwing something up against the wall, seeing what sticks. It takes strategy, dedication, and a deep understanding of what makes your audience tick. So, what are the key elements that contribute to a viral short? Well, for starters, you need an engaging hook that grabs your viewer's attention from the very first second. You need to stay on top of trends and be willing to adapt to changes in the market quickly. And let's not forget about timing. Posting your content at the right time can make all the difference. But beyond all of these surface level elements, there's something more, something that can make or break your chances of going viral. That something is audience engagement. When your viewers feel seen and heard, they're more likely to share your content with others. And that's when the magic happens. But what if I told you there's more to it than just getting likes and comments? What if I told you there's a secret to getting your audience to invest in your content on a deep level? It's this secret that I'm about to share with you that can dramatically increase the chances of your short going viral. Are you ready? Here it is. It's all about creating a sense of community. When you can tap into the collective energy of your audience and create a sense of belonging, that's when the real magic happens. It's not just about going viral. It's about creating a movement. Creating a sense of community around your content is the key to unlocking its full potential. It's what takes your views from the thousands to the millions, and it's what turns your viewers into die-hard fans. So, how do you do it? That's a topic for another video, but trust me when I say that it's worth the effort. In summary, creating viral shorts isn't just about throwing something up against the wall and hoping it sticks. It's about understanding your audience, staying on top of trends, and creating a sense of community around your content. When you can do that, the sky's the limit. Thanks for watching. And if you've had success with creating viral shorts, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more tips and tricks for creating viral content, be sure to check out my next video.